Generative Fill and Generative Expand is where you simply add something to a photograph that isn't there by using AI technology. There are 3 ways of generating an image in Photoshop Beta. One is to use the generic image flyout menu bar. Second is the icon in the toolbar. And third is Generate Image command on the Edit menu. As soon as you click on Generate Image, this window pops up, which gives you a lot of added control and flexibility. This box is for content, and this is where you type your subject, so let's do that. I typed in close-up of foxhound and clicked on Photo, and then Generate. Now you may not like the first image, so Photoshop gives you an additional 2 to choose from. This is a vast improvement in beta over regular Photoshop and is due to Firefly 3, the AI engine behind Photoshop. Let's say I type the same information but choose art. You can see what happens. And again, you get 3 images to choose from. Remember, these are not images taken from the internet but generated by Firefly, Adobe's AI generator. Now, if I click on Reference Image, I can select a style from the palette or choose one from a photo of mine. Keep in mind, you cannot use copyrighted images as reference photos. You will receive a warning. And this incorporates the AI image with your original. Next, I'll take one of my photos, and let's say I want to add a boat to it. I simply draw a bounding box around the area where I want the boat. Click on Generate Image and type in boat. And presto, not only does the boat appear, but it comes with shadows, the ripples, and everything else you need to make it real. Remember, the more information you add, the more detail you will get. Now, if I want to add my own touch, I draw the bounding box, type in boat, but before I hit Generate, click on this icon and select a reference image from my own library. The new AI image is on a separate layer, so you can change all the elements of it. If you find the resolution of the added element is not as great as you'd like, simply click on the icon in the corner of each of the 3 images to enhance the resolution. If your generated image is close to what you want but not quite there, click on the 3 dots and regenerate another 3 images. Next is Generative Expand, which is an amazing add-on that can save your photos. In this photo, I feel the door takes up too much of the image. First, I click on C for crop, or select crop from the toolbar. Make sure your crop parameters are set to clear. Next, I'm going to stretch my box just a little on each side. Now, under this fill drop-down, make sure Generative Expand is selected from the drop-down list. Then simply click on the check marks and presto, your image is expanded without altering the original shape or size. And of course, you again have 3 variations. And don't forget to use the Enhanced Detail feature if you need to. Lastly, let's say I want to replace the background of this image. Using the background removal feature, you simply click on the background removal icon and magically it happens. If you don't see the background removal icon, check in the toolbar under Spot Healing. Once the background is removed, click on Generate Background and type in the background you want, for example, restaurant. And again, you have 3 options, and because it's a separate layer, you can alter it all you want. Just keep in mind that Photoshop will not allow you to do any unethical, immoral, or sexually oriented photos. As in all Photoshop Quickies, for best results, pause this video as you work through the steps.